Bitcoin popped through 45,000 at the start of 2024, now trading at just over 44,000, up more than 160% over the last year. Meantime, Bitcoin rewards app Lolli recently raising its Series B, securing more than $28 million to date. Investors include Alexis Ohanian's VC firm 776. Ohanian and Lolli CEO Alex Adelman join us now. Guys, welcome. Alexis, so you first invested in Lolli, I think it was about 3 years ago or so, pre-Series A. Yeah. What does a crypto-related investment mean that's different in 2024?
Well, John, look, I've been investing in crypto for over a decade now. 3 years ago, was floored by what Alex and the team had built. And we love early stage investing. We invest on the potential. And what's been really exciting is the last few years, more and more people have continued to, you showed the numbers there about Bitcoin. More and more people have continued to seek that as an asset that they believe in. And it all comes back to user experience. And what Lolli's proven is that if you can make it delightful and easy as heck to save money in all the places you already shop and earn Bitcoin, it's a win for consumers.
Alex, so running Lolli now versus 3+ years ago, it used to be people were saying cash is trash. The interest rates that you would get on cash back and saving in cash, not so good. But things have shifted a bit, haven't they? So how do you frame, or do you reframe, the value proposition?
So we actually give cash back and Bitcoin, and we really let people choose. And I think now with credit cards, people are spending through the roof in credit card debt. People are looking to save money now more than ever, especially in these inflationary times. And so we often encourage people to learn about Bitcoin and earn Bitcoin very easily from over 25,000 locations. But yeah, we're having fun on the Bitcoin side for sure right now, with it more than doubling over the last few months.
So Alex, Bitcoin, we've obviously seen it rally. It was up 160% last year. How I guess enthusiastic has the uptake been for your product, and how are consumers who are accessing it thinking about it? Are they thinking about it as a store of value or as a means to a mode of transaction, which is not really what we've seen the adoption of Bitcoin take on in a meaningful way yet?
Yeah, so Bitcoin, 15 years after its inception, is still a predominantly used as a store of value, and an incredible one at that. Our shoppers are using our service now more than ever. We're up 30% year over year. We have way more merchants now than we did. So we have a lot of adoption, not just on the obvious side, on the consumer side, but also on the merchant side. A lot of merchants are reaching out proactively now to join the platform, because it's really easy for both consumers and merchants to get involved in Bitcoin now. And then on our new card-linked offer product, where people are earning 5 times more rewards with that product than the previous product. So a lot of really good things happening, both internally and then, as you all mentioned, on the macro with Bitcoin adoption as a whole.
Okay. I want to shift gears a little bit. Alexis, I want to talk about AI, which obviously was another big theme of 2023 and continues here in terms of the next chapter for this year. How are you investing now? And also, how are you putting it to work within your own firm?
Yeah, it's been an exciting time. And over the last year and a half, we have been heralding to our portfolio as well as internally to our team that these tools are going to help us do our work better and faster than ever before. And we're using it to help draft first takes of press releases for our sports teams. We're using it to help draft first takes of content that we post on social media, talking about our portfolio companies. And what's been exciting is we're still at probably the least interesting version of this technology, right? Sure, it's helping us write code a little faster. It's helping us write copy a little bit faster. The way that these things get integrated, whether it's in proprietary tools like our firm's Cerebro, or the way that portfolio companies like Lolli are using it to better deliver just more delightful user experiences to their customers, is going to start to compound. And sure, there's going to be some big winners here, and those names who have already, from NVIDIA to Microsoft, but there's a chance here for nearly every business to find efficiencies thanks to this tech, and it's an exciting time. I've been in tech for a minute, and I've not been this excited really ever before.